summer.
Yes.
What is your... Oh no, I forgot the question. Okay, what is your must-have item for summer?
For summer, okay.
Yeah?
Summer is the season when you can be free from all those thick socks or stockings. So I do love wearing flip-flops everywhere because you can stay bare feet. They pretty much go well with all jeans, sleeveless dresses, or any type of clothing. So I really like the way it finishes the whole look because it just makes everything look more casual and chill. So yeah, flip-flops for summer.